What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Monster CraftyCorn from the Smiling Critters. Let's begin today's lesson, and instead of a page at the top edge of the nose, we'll start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up in the middle, and then we'll bend that down. Now I want to leave a gap and draw the bottom of the nose. So we're going to step down, curve this around, across, and then up on the right. And then on the inside we're going to add two curves for the nostrils, coming down and in. On the side of the nose, let's curve the mouth. We're going to go up and then bend that out. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to come in to create a fold, going around towards the bottom of the mouth. Go across and up, and then bend that in. Now I want to add two sharp teeth on either side. Let's start from the side of the nose, curve this down, and then taper that up. And I'll add one more. Do the same thing on the right. Now along the bottom we're going to add the tongue. Starting over on the left, go up, bend that down to create a fold, step back, go up and down. Let's add one more tooth on either side. Start from the side of the tongue, go out and up, and then bring that back down. Now I want to go in and fill the inside of the mouth in black, going around the teeth and the tongue. Now we're going to go back up to the top of the nose and curve the cheeks. We're going to step up, then this up, and then out towards the side. Now let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the inside of the eye, coming in and then up towards the top. And same thing on the right. Now I want to place the brow on top, coming down, up, and then bend that out. Let's draw the outside of the eye. We're going to step in, curve around, and then in behind the cheeks. And we'll pull the pupils towards the inside. Starting on the left, draw a circle. Line that up on the right. Add a small black dot in the center of the eyes. And then we'll fill the outside of the eyes in black. Let's go to the outside of the cheeks. We're going to step out and curve the bottom of the head. So on the left, we go around the mouth, come in towards the center, go up on the right, and we'll bend that in. Now from here we go all the way up towards the top and add in the horn. Let's start with a curve across the base, coming down and then up. From the ends, we're going to go up, bend that in towards the tip of the horn. Let's add two seams going across. And we'll tuck the hair in underneath. So in the middle, step down, bend this out towards the right, go across, and then up. Go back to the center, come down towards the right, and then bend that up. On the left side, we step down, curve the side of the hair, going all the way around, go up above the horn, and then we'll bend that down. Let's go back to the cheeks and draw the side of the head. We're gonna bend this up and in around the eyes. Let's step down, draw the bottom of the ear. We're gonna bend this out and then up towards the top. Let's round out the top of the ear, come down, and then bend that in behind the hair. And then on the right side, I'm just gonna round this out, bend this in, and then back out. Now I want to close off that gap in between the ear and the hair. Go back up to the top, bend this out, and then down in behind. Let's trace the ears along the inside, starting with a curve across the base. Go around the top, and then the inside. Now I'm going to add some hair along the sides, starting underneath the ear and around and in behind the cheeks. Now let's add some hair along the back. Start from the cheek, then around and then in, step out, come around and up underneath the head. And we just want to mirror that over on the right side. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw that medallion in the center. We'll start with a circle in the center of our page. And then we want to surround that circle with 5 petals. Let's start with the top, with a half circle. Just going to work our way around. Let's go to the top petal along the side, draw 2 straight angled lines going up underneath the head. Let's tuck the body in underneath, starting underneath the head, come down and in behind, continue up on the right. Now from the side of the body, we want to stretch the legs coming down. Let's start on the left, going out, and bring that all the way down towards the bottom. Let's line that up on the right, going out, and then down. Let's round out the heel, and then go out towards the first claw. Now from here, we draw the first claw, starting with the top, we're going to go up, bend that down towards the tip, and then we'll curve the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's layer 2 more claws along the side. Starting from the top, going up and down, tuck that in, and we'll do that one more time. Now the leg is going to get narrower as it comes up underneath the head. So let's start on the left. Just going to bend this out, all the way down on top of the last claw, and do the same thing on the right. Going out, and then down. Let's separate the bottom of the legs with a curve. Now let's draw on the hind legs, starting underneath the body. It's going to follow that same curve, coming down to right about there. Round out the heel and go out in behind. Now I'm going to add that same seam, starting from the inside, going up. Let's add that tail coming out from the left side of the body. Starting from the side of the leg, we're going to go up, come down, step up, go around and up towards the tip. Let's round out the tail, come all the way around the outside and in, and create a fold, stepping back, going around and then in behind. Now we're going to add some stitch marks across the legs. Let's start on the left, start with that curve, and add the stitch lines going across. Now just going to work our way across towards the right. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Monster CraftyCorn from the Smiling Critters. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.